Triumph Trophy 1200 SA, 2012 to 2017, review one of the top tourers around when launched. Like the preceding Explorer adventure bike, the Triumph Trophy Tourer swept to the top of its class first time out by, if not being shiningly the best at anything, then certainly being the best tourer overall. It had a fabulous powertrain, decent handling, glorious comfort and more gizmos than you can shake a hefty stick at. The Trophy went off sale in 2017, but thanks to relatively low sales volumes it's a very good used buy. Prices start at under £6,000 on the second-hand market. It was dubbed an MCN Best Buy in August 2018 for this reason. Ride quality and brakes. In place of the Explorer's tubular steel trellis was an all-new aluminium twin spar design, Triumph's first, incidentally, designed to be as slim and light as possible, and also claimed by Triumph to be the lightest in the class. Longer shaft drive housing/swing arm also lengthened the wheelbase for added stability. Even so, steering was light and sharp, although the bike was still so big it'd never be confused with a sports bike. Ride was stable and plush, although some found the suspension a little choppy. The seat was 3 hours comfy, and the screen the best in the business. Engine. The motor was essentially the same 1,215 cubic centimeters, shaft drive triple which debuted in the Tiger Explorer adventure bike, but slightly detuned to give more torque and flexibility. Triumph claimed the aim was to deliver over 100 Nm of torque all the way from 2,500 RPM to 9,800 RPM. The result was peaks of 132 brake horsepower at 8,900 RPM and 89 ft-lbs at 6,450 RPM, compared to the Explorer's 135 brake horsepower at 9,300 RPM and 89 ft-lbs at 7,850 RPM, and a fabulously grunty, crisp delivery. Gear ratios also differed to the Explorer, most notably with 6th tagged in overdrive. There was also an improved version of the cruise control introduced on the Explorer. Triumph also claimed impressive fuel consumption of 54.5 miles per gallon at 75 miles per hour, while service intervals were an impressive 10,000 miles, minor/20,000 miles, major. Reliability and build quality. On launch, paint, finishes, detailing etc., particularly of things like the screen's optical quality, were up with the best. Electronic problems on early ones resulted in a redesigned ECM. So check that all the toys fitted to the bike you're looking at work properly, including the stereo. Value versus rivals. Both were pretty reasonable compared to their direct rivals from BMW and considering what you get for your money. The SE spec version, with TIAS, stereo and tire pressure monitoring system was extra, probably the one to go for and the one Triumph expected to sell the most of. But both were excellent machines. Equipment. There were pretty much all the toys imaginable at the time: electrically adjustable screen, adjustable seat, Triumph's electronically adjustable suspension, ABS, traction control, cruise control, integrated stereo system, massively sophisticated instrumentation, clever luggage system and plenty more as options. Specs. Engine size 1,215 cubic centimeters. Engine type 12V liquid-cooled triple, 6 gears. Frame type aluminium twin beam. Fuel capacity 26 liters. Seat height 800 millimeters. Bike weight 301 kilograms. Front suspension electronic damping adjust. Rear suspension electronic preload and damping adjust. Front brake 2x 320 millimeters discs, 4-piston calipers, ABS. Rear brake 282 millimeters disc, 2-piston caliper ABS. Front tire size 120/70 ZR17. Rear tire size 190/55 ZR17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 52 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £240. New price. Used price £3,300 to £7,900. Insurance group 17 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage. Top speed and performance. Max power 132 brake horsepower. Max torque 89 ft-lb. Top speed 130 miles per hour. A quarter mile acceleration. Tank range 300 miles.